Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can download or extract open building data that is provided by Google. So Google has listed or provided building footprint data around 1.8 billion detection of building data within the area of 58 million kilometer square, and within Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. And we are gonna download this data using Google Earth Engine. So let's dive into that. Before that, let's see what are the details of this open building data. So let's go to the website, that is sites.research.google.google/open building. So I'll give this website link in the description. You can check through that link as well. So talking about the open building data, it is the data set of building footprint to support social good, and its usefulness in various important application, from population estimation to urban planning and humanitarian response. So 1.8 billion detection across area 58 million kilometer square, and it's in third version. So we are going to download the third version through Google Earth Engine, and you can see the building density. So it's building per kilometer square, and here is the given uses of the data, from population mapping to humanitarian response, environmental science, addressing systems, and vaccination planning and statistical indicator. And you can explore from this uh, web map as well. So you can explore, you can click on the export the map, and you can zoom in with control. Clicking the control, you can zoom in, and you can change it to hybrid map as well. And you can see the confidence level is there is three type of confidence level, that is from the one ranging from greater than 0.75 to the another from 0.7 to 0.75, and the last is from 0.65 to 0.7. So since some building might appear offset from satellite imagery, there might be some complex city in detecting the building. So it's based on the complexity and the level of accuracy the building has been detected. So you can see here as well. So when you see the dense populated or dense building areas, the confidence level is a bit low, and when there is the open space or open building, so there is the confidence level is high. The green shows the high confidence level, and red shows the low confidence level. And so here are some frequently asked question about the data license, and it is Creative Commons Attribution CC by. So you can use it as your wish. And when was the data created? So there is something about a deep learning model, and can this building be added to GIS? However, to maintain the quality of version, please be mindful of the need for human review. So in OpenStreetMap, when you are adding the data, you need to make sure that the data are validated. So validation is required, and there are many other questions. So let's dive into the data set. So there is two way you can download the data. So directly from the from here also you can go to the your place directly by scrolling on the map, and you can see, let me dive into the Nepal. So since there is a lot of data in Nepal, so when you click, you can see the data file 8.4 GB. It's CSV file format, and with its CSV file format with geometry embedded in that, so you can directly bring that into QGIS. So it's a bit difficult when you have small area and you have to download whole. So if I want certain area of this, but I have to download whole this, and it may take a bit time to download, as well as if you have your computer or laptop of less memory or less capacity, it might take a longer time to load the data in QGIS. So for that, I'll provide you easy way of using Google Earth Engine. So for that, let's dive into Google Earth Engine. So when you go on this link, here is one I found it through Google Earth Engine. Let's see. Okay, there was one way you can download it through Google Earth Engine, but I couldn't find here. Sorry for that. So yeah, here is the code, I think. Oh no, sorry, it's plus course. Yeah, here it's a zoomer search to explore the building, and alternative you can explore in Google Earth Engine. So let's go to Google Earth Engine. So I'll give this link in the description as well. And when you go to this, you can see developer Google, and when you can see the description of the data from here. And let's go to the polygon b3 polygon feature collection and feature view. So feature view and feature collection. So from where we are going with feature collection, we want to download the data. So let's go with, okay, sorry, I must change it to my official. It's my official, sorry. Okay, let's not do this. So let's go with code.earthengine.google.com, and I can search here open building. Let's go with open building, and in open building you can see open building p3 polygons. And when you go with p3 polygons, you can see the data availability from 2023 5th 32 2033 5th 30. So it's of that date, and I'll go with collection snippet and copied, or you can see directly from example. So it's the example, so you can directly load that example into your code editor. And let me go now with some extra coding, so that you can download your data within your own geometry or own area. So I have added one area of, you can see Siraha municipality, that is one of the municipality of Nepal. And so if you don't know how to add your boundary in Google Earth Engine, so you can go to new and add Shapefile or CSV file format. So go to Shapefile, and you can, select the file from here, and you can select the files, and the Shapefile format should be an SHP, zip, db, prj, and it supports this type of file layers, and you can upload, and within certain time it will show here in this cloud asset. So I'll import this into my code, and so it's already T here. So I'll name this as Siraha is my, and let's save this as new code. Yes, this current is read only. Would you like to make a copy? Yes. So let's make it as Google UILDING. Okay, so now it's saved as Google building in scripts. So here is Google building. So we have the feature collection of this, and we want to get the data within our municipality only. So let's make it as T2 equals to T dot filter bounds within our Siraha municipality. So it will get the data within the Siraha municipality, and here is, so we have already T2, so we have to make this as T2. Yes. And after that you can see three type of layers, so 0.75, 0.7, 0.65. so it will show three types of data. And let's center our map to map.center object to Siraha municipality, and our zoom level will be 13. So it will, when we run the code, it will show the building footprint within our Siraha municipality, and the zoom level will be 13. So let's run the code. So you can see three type of data. So confidence level 0.75, and then 0.7 to 0.75, and 0.65 to 0.7. So three types of data is being added here, right? So let's see 0.75 greater than 0.75, and 0.7 to 0.75. So we all need three types of data, right? So it will be in single GeoJSON file format, and we can visualize that in our symbology. So for that, let's export our data. So for that, I will keep export export the data, and for that, what we have to do is we have to write export dot. So since it's a GeoJSON file format, we'll make this as table, and we'll export it into our drive. So since you are exporting in drive, so you must have one folder, separate folder in drive. In that folder it will save, and in the collection what we will do is we will give our collection as T2. So it's the data that we want within the Siraha municipality, so it's T2, right? So we'll give this as T2. And description, so in the description what we're gonna write is we will write as Google open building building. And after that, what we will do is we'll assign the file format. So for file format, what our file format will be, it's our GeoJSON file format. GeoJSON, right? And after that, folder, so we have to assign the folder. So what will be the folder? It's, I have one folder named GEE in my Google Drive, so it will be that folder. And let's save this and run the code. So there has been error with file format, it's small, so we have to make it as capital format, and let's run. So you can see the tags, it's yellow, so here is the tags in Google Earth, and we have to run. So it can't have space, so let's keep underscore and let's make it as open building, right? And then run. So it takes some time to run. So let's open QGIS at that time. So we want to see the data, export the data as well. So let's do with QGIS. Let's run QGIS and let's create an empty project, right? So also we want to add satellite images. So we can go to search QMS and we can search as Google. So when you search Google, you can see different data that is provided by Google, and we can go with Google satellite hybrid, so we can add. So if you don't know how to add QMS in QGIS, so I have made a separate video on that, so I'll give the link here, right here, the I button. You can click on that and go to that video as well. So I'll go to my folder open building. So I have Siraha municipality boundary, so I'll bring that into my QGIS, and let's jump to that layer. Okay, so it's the boundary of Siraha municipality, and let's see, it's already uploaded, it's gone to our drive. So let's go to drive. Inside the drive, let's go to folder, and inside GE folder, so here is, let's refresh. So here is Google open building. So we uploaded that, right? Google open building, so it's here, and let's download that. So for that, let's click on this, and what is the download option? Sorry, I can't get the download option. Now there is the option of download. So you can see here, download, and let's download the data. And I'll save that data in the folder, same folder, open building folder, and I'll import that into, so it's 14 MB data, and I'll import that into QGIS. Okay, so when you zoom in, you can see the data, right? So let's create transparent field, and so you can see the building data. So when you go to its attribute table, you can see the area that the polygons occupies, and the ID, and the confidence level, that's from 0.65 to 0.7 greater than 0.75. so there is different confidence level, and full plus code, that's the different one type of code that Google supports, and coordinate value, it's GeoJSON file format, so it's type point, and this all. And you can also symbolize the data based on the confidence level value. And let's go to what categories, I think, and maybe no, it's from graduated, and we can have three classes, and equal interval, and classify. Okay, so classify based on confidence, classify three type of data, and let's apply. So it's three type of data, so you can assign your own interval as well. So upper value is 0.65, and lower value you can assign as 0.70, and 0.7 to 0.75, and 0.75 to 0.90, and then apply. So it's based on Google's value, 0.765 to 0.7, 0.7 to 0.75, and 0.75 to 0.94. So you can see the value or the building polygon almost aligns with the data, the Google, the image, the satellite image data, and sometimes somewhere it's missing, but when you are working on this type of data. I think this data will be suitable to estimate the population as well as the building density, the number of building in particular area, and everything. And I think it's very much good data. And let's see what's the number of building in Siraha. So from this data we can see that there are around 30,000, around 31,000 building in Siraha municipality. So in this way you can download open building data from Google Earth Engine. And if you find this video useful, please give a like to the video and subscribe the channel, so that you will be notified when new video emerges out of my channel. And share this video to your friend who might need building data at a large scale. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video. Bye bye.